Okay, here's what it comes with. You're gonna get a template that we give you out of our scrap stuff. We just make a little template because you're gonna throw it away. So you take it off the receiver, lay the receiver down, put this in, push it all the way to the right side, make sure it's level across top, and mark it with a pen or something. Okay, that's where you're gonna drill your holes. What I do is it's a 3/16, even a quarter will work, any size bit to pilot hole. First pilot hole. Now you're gonna be on a seam because it's gonna be kind of tough, but it is a bitch to drill, so. There we go. Okay, that'll be your pilot hole. Now you're going to use a unibit. I use a step drill or a unibit like this to drill the big hole, which is on the right. And that hole can be 3/4, 5/8, whatever, so everything lines up. Hole on the right with this unibit. That's the best thing to use that. So. I drill about 3/4 or so. Just so it gives you extra room in there. You really can't over drill it. Before you put this in, I put a piece of tape on the end like this because I've dropped it down in the horn of the frame, the uniframe. So that way I can grab it if I drop it in there. We're gonna slide this between. We've already taken the wheel off the inner liner. I don't know if you can see in there, but it's gonna go right in the middle of that crash bar and slide it in there. And I got that tape just in case I don't drop it. So now, I line it up here. And the best way, you also could use the tow hook shaft to line it up. You might take 2 people, helps, because they can see it. Because see, I can't see it to put the bolt in, so. And that caught it, so that's gonna work. Just like that. Tighten that thing up, and you're good. We either give you one with shorter threads or one like this. They're both the same. If you get one like this, you can adjust how far it sticks out on the car. So we set it about right there. That locks it. Just like that. I suggest putting that in the car because you'll lose it if you don't. It'll fall off of there. But that's how it's installed. Simple as that.